Hello everyone, my name is Trọng. I'm 9 years old. I'm from Vietnam. I live in Hưng Yên. I'm in class 4B at Chỉ Tân Primary School. Now, I'm going to talk about my timetable. On Monday, I have Vietnamese, English, Math, and B. On Tuesday, I have Art, Math, and Vietnamese. On Wednesday, I have English, Math, IT, and music. On Tuesday, I have English, Science, Vietnamese, History and Geography. On Friday, I have Math, English, B, and Science. My favorite subject is Vietnamese because I want to be a Vietnamese teacher. Goodbye, everyone.